Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is November 8th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's minimize this. Let's resize this, and let's maximize this quarterly chart here. On this quarterly chart, boom, almost at an R3 level. I think we didn't quite break 600. I thought this might have been, again, was expecting this to be a catalyst to actually, the whole election thing to be a catalyst to make us get back into that all-time high type thing, and we have done it this week and all. But here, and look like the SPY, you never seen the SPY very seldom goes up to an R3 level. So again, be kind of mindful of your trading. You're trading with your positions and stuff at this time. They're should be very, very profitable and all. It's just that you got to decide how much of that you're going to be willing to give back if we get a pullback in this market. I kind of don't expect it through the end of the year. I expect this market to keep actually running, and we probably will get pretty close to this R3 level if we don't break this R3 level. We're only $2 away. Looks like we only that's 10. That's only like a little bit, $10, $11 away actually of breaking that based off of the high. So I kind of expect that to happen, but anything can happen in the market, as we all know. And also kind of be mindful of what you're doing, and protect your money. But let's go ahead and go down to the monthly chart and see what we see there on the monthly chart. We can see this month has been a pretty hot month with the whole election thing. It was a pretty big move here this past week. When we get down to the weekly chart, we'll see that. But on this monthly chart, we can see that we're above the 9-10 moving average. We have crossed that R1 level on these quarterly pivots and all, and kind of up. Let me see that. Let's go back to the monthly chart. We have crossed this R1 on these quarterly pivots, and looking at probably going higher. How far away is that R2 level? That R2 level is at 616. That's why, again, we will, I'm looking at us getting, to an R2 level. That happens a lot, and when the market is really strong and bullish, and also that's not out of the picture at this time. So I kind of expect that. Let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, we can see that we did make a new high, an all-time high, and like I had said on the other video, if you watch all my videos, we was getting some bearish signs, but in small print on one of them, I kind of like gave you a hint, fake out. Don't expect it to actually, drop, with the election coming up. And it did play out. The election thing was the catalyst to actually get us, over these highs that we were actually looked like we were having a hard time getting across. Could it have just been the big money was actually just lowering their bids, trying to get a better price to be able to get into this market at a lower price, and then letting this market just take off after the election like we see now? I kind of do expect us to continue this for the next few weeks, but kind of like wait and see, but still trade based on your trading plan, your trading strategies, what you see happening out here in the market at this time. Let's go down to the daily chart and just zoom on in here right quick. On the daily chart, we can see on this daily chart, it did kind of like, like I said, the bearish pattern was up here, and we did get some kind of drop down here, but I was kind of like, I think that was it, I kind of mentioned, and we did get the gap back to the upside and got above these highs right here that we needed to get above, and as you can see, it gapped, and the future market was running all night, and we got way up back over here. That's why this looks the way it looks on this particular chart. And as you can see on these weekly pivots on this daily chart, we got above an R3. That very seldom happens, seeing that. So again, it was a very hot week. Now be careful about what's going to happen next week But just trade what you see. Trade based on what your trading plan tells you to do, based on what your trading strategies tells you to do, and kind of learn to obey and be disciplined to your rules and all. And that's it. That's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys have a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.